अपना नहीं कुछ भी गुजारा है, यही जुल्मात बहरों.
There are some common letters of dua, prayer. So normally if there is not any special thing in it, then I ask Private Secretary to reply those letters. If there is any letter in which a person needs some guidance or some special issue to be discussed or explained to him, then I reply myself. This is how. Otherwise I cannot reply all the letters which I receive, almost 30,000-40,000 letters in a month. No, I can't. Right. Some of the letters I personally read, the whole letter, or 400 or 500 letters daily. And quite a number of letters go to my office staff and they make a summary of it. And if there is no any special issue in it, then I ask the President to reply. If there is any special thing in it, then I reply myself. If there is any special guidance you need, then you can see special, urgent. Then I will reply. Right?
Inshallah.